If you've ever wondered where your vacation starts, welcome to the place. Welcome to 19607 Beach Crest Place. As you open the front door, you're immediately greeted by elegant open floor plan designed for both luxurious comfort and seamless entertaining. This spacious great room is perfect for gatherings, featuring a state-of-the-art Sonos sound system that fills the space with rich, high-quality sound. Now for the chef in you, check out this incredible kitchen. The center island is over 9 feet long with high-end Cork's countertops, perfect for prep work or casual dining. The master suite is spacious, comfortable, and offers tons of natural light. It features an ensuite bath with lots of upgrades, creating a spa-like experience right at home. Step out into your own personal paradise. The outdoor living area boasts a saltwater pool and spa, plus upgrades featuring storm-smart hurricane shades for peace of mind. This home isn't just about beauty. It's about smart, energy-efficient living. From hurricane-proof glass sliders and windows, a generator transfer switch, every detail has been thoughtfully considered to give you peace of mind. Whether you're lounging by the poolside, watching the sunsets, or entertaining guests, this outdoor space is a dream come true. I'm James Boyer with Century 21 Sunbelt.